Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to a new video from Technary.com. So we have an interesting news for you. The consumer tech brand boAt Lifestyle has announced their first smartwatch into the Indian market. This is the boAt Storm. Let us have a look at the features of this device. It is having a 1.3-inch full-touch curved display. Notable features include 24/7 heart rate monitor, step counter, SpO2 monitoring, and also there are 9 sports modes. It is having a large and vibrant colored display. This smartwatch can be ideal for fitness enthusiasts. There are personalized and downloadable cloud-based watch faces which can be used to customize the dial. The best part is that there will be 100 plus options for the customizable display via OTA after the launch. User can download the boAt Pro Gear app to control and customize the watch. The SpO2 feature will help to get real-time blood oxygen level monitoring. There is also a guided meditative breathing mode which guides you to the mindfulness and breath awareness, which helps you to lower heart rate and decrease the stress levels. It is able to track high intensity workouts and also for sports enthusiasts. Women can easily record and predict the menstrual and ovulation cycles using the built-in menstruation cycle tracker. There is also a changeable silicone strap. The watch comes with 5 ATM water resistance which is able to keep it safe up to 50 meter underwater. There are 9 active sports modes which include walking, running, cycling, climbing, hiking, treadmill, fitness, yoga, and dynamic cycling. You can connect the watch to your smartphone and can easily use it for controlling music, calls, etc. There is also Find My Phone feature which is able to locate your smartphone with ease. The device is also capable of showing the notifications of calls, social media, etc. As per the company, the boAt Storm has 10 days of battery life and comes with 30 days of standby time. It is available in two colors which include active black and black and blue variants. It is available at an introductory price of INR 1999 only. So if you want to purchase this smartwatch from boAt Lifestyle, do check out the link in the description below. Also keep visiting our website which is technary.com. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe our YouTube channel and make the bell notifications on for such interesting tech news and gadget reviews from our side. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.